As the golden sun rises over the pristine waters of Tahiti, a hidden world of craftsmanship awakens within a modern sanctuary built right on the sea. These rough shells hold the ocean's most guarded secrets, harvested with care from the depths to begin their journey toward becoming a legendary piece of jewelry. Every shell tells a story of years spent beneath the waves, enduring the currents to cultivate a gem that is as unique as a fingerprint. With the precision of a surgeon and the heart of an artist, the artisan carefully reveals the treasure hidden within the rough, unyielding exterior. There it is, a Tahitian black pearl, glowing with a natural iridescence that reflects the mysterious colors of the deep Pacific Ocean in every curve. The journey from the seabed leads here to a state-of-the-art laboratory where nature's raw beauty meets the peak of modern human technological innovation. The selection process begins as the pearls glide across glass, each one destined to be measured against the highest standards of luxury and perfection. Advanced laser technology scans every micron of the pearl's surface, detecting even the slightest imperfections that the naked human eye might easily overlook. This precision ensures that only the most flawless gems move forward, maintaining the integrity and the prestigious reputation of high-end jewelry design. Artificial intelligence analyzes the data in real time, calculating the luster, size, and shape to categorize each pearl with absolute mathematical certainty. By blending nature with technology, we ensure a level of consistency and quality that was once impossible, elevating the art of pearl selection. The finest specimens are chosen by robotic hands, handled with extreme delicacy, to preserve the precious surface that took years for nature to create. Sorted and ready, these rare AAA grade pearls are now prepared to become the soul of a bespoke piece of high-end jewelry art. Before the first ounce of gold is melted, a vision must be born on paper, guided by the hands of a master jewelry designer. Every stroke of the pencil captures the motion of the tides, translating the fluid energy of the ocean into a solid, timeless design. The hand-drawn dream evolves into a digital reality, where every angle and setting is refined to ensure perfect balance and structural integrity. In the virtual space, we can visualize the final masterpiece, adjusting the placement of every diamond to complement the central Tahitian pearl perfectly. This meticulous digital sculpting allows the artisan to foresee the interplay of light and shadow before the physical crafting process even begins. Comparison is key. The designer ensures the chosen pearl's unique overtones harmonize with the intended metal and the brilliance of the surrounding gemstones. Breathing life into nature means understanding its soul. This pearl will be the centerpiece of a creation that will last for generations. The transformation begins in the heat of the forge, where pure gold is melted down to be shaped into a vessel for the ocean's gem. A dance of fire and metal, the casting process is a critical moment where the liquid sun takes the form of human imagination. As the steam clears, the rough golden frame emerges. I'm ready to be polished and refined by the steady hands of a master jeweler. Hours of patient polishing bring out the true luster of the gold, creating a mirror-like finish that will reflect the brilliance of the diamonds. Under the microscope, a hidden world of detail is revealed, where every fraction of a millimeter is scrutinized for absolute perfection. One by one, tiny diamonds are set into the gold, adding a celestial sparkle that will frame the dark majesty of the black pearl. The micropave technique requires incredible focus, creating a surface of pure light that seems to flow across the golden curves of the ring. Precision tools and a master's touch ensure that every stone is locked in place, built to withstand the test of time and wear. In this quiet sanctuary of craft, the collective expertise of decades is poured into every individual piece of jewelry being created. Every tool has its place, and every movement is intentional, reflecting the discipline required to produce world-class luxury jewelry for the most discerning. A final inspection of the metalwork ensures the foundation is flawless. Now, it is time for the heart of the piece to be joined. The most nerve-wracking moment arrives, drilling into the pearl. One wrong move, could shatter years of nature's hard work in an instant. The drill bit, tipped with industrial diamond, approaches with absolute mechanical precision, guided by a system that calculates the exact center of gravity. Under a cooling spray of water, the drill carves a path through the layers of nacre, ensuring the pearl remains cool and its luster intact. The result is a perfect, clean entry point, a testament to the seamless marriage of high-tech machinery and delicate natural materials. A specialized adhesive, designed to last for centuries, is applied with surgical care to ensure a permanent bond between the metal and the gem. The two worlds finally meet. The pearl is seated upon its golden throne, becoming the focal point of the entire artistic composition, and orientation is everything. The artisan ensures that the most beautiful side of the pearl is showcased, catching the light in the most flattering way. Cleanliness is paramount in luxury. Every trace of the assembly process is removed, leaving only the seamless beauty of the finished design. With the assembly complete, the ring prepares for its final bath, a process that will reveal its ultimate blinding brilliance to the world. Submerged in the ultrasonic cleaner, the piece undergoes a transformation, as high-frequency sound waves reach into every tiny crevice and setting. Millions of microscopic bubbles work in unison, gently scrubbing away the remnants of the workshop to reveal the untouched purity of the materials. The energy of the machine mirrors the energy of the ocean that created the pearl, finishing the cycle of creation with modern science. Emerging from the water, the masterpiece is reborn, glowing with a renewed intensity that signifies the completion of its long journey. Every surface is dried to perfection, ensuring no spots remain to dim the fire of the diamonds or the deep glow of the pearl. One last touch from the master's hand. The piece is now perfect, a testament to the harmony between nature's mystery and human skill. Behold the final creation, a Tahitian black pearl ring, standing as a beacon of luxury and elegance against the velvet darkness. From every angle, the masterpiece tells a story of precision, showing how a rough shell from the ocean became a treasure of the highest order. The luster is hypnotic, a swirling vortex of colors that reminds us of the deep, silent world where this journey first began. When worn, the jewelry comes to life, a symbol of power and sophistication for those who appreciate the rarest gifts of the earth. It is more than just jewelry. It is a legacy, a piece of the ocean's soul, refined by the most advanced technology and human artistry. In the world of high-end jewelry, the Tahitian black pearl remains the ultimate masterpiece, a timeless icon of beauty that will never fade. Tahitian black pearls, the ocean's timeless masterpiece, crafting the extraordinary from the depths of the sea to the height of human elegance.